Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to bend a rectangle in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1. Press Ctrl T, Wrap tool, or go to Edit tab, Free Transform, right click, Wrap. Then move anywhere, bend. OK. Again press Ctrl T, Custom, flag, up, etc. Again move anywhere or added anchor point, bend. OK. And for the last step, click on the shape tool, right click, convert to smart object, go to edit tab, puppet up, click on the point you carve, example 1 2 3 4, then click on the point, then move anywhere. OK. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.